Welcome to the next video in the Civic Tech Innovation Network's Explainer series. In this video, you will learn about the CTIN's Regional Ambassadors Program. Designed to overcome geographic limitations, the Regional Ambassadors Program strengthens regional connections and fosters participation within the African civic tech community. Initially established as a one-year partnership, the Regional Ambassadors Program formalized cooperative agreements between CTIN and seasoned civic tech organizations from all 5 regions of the continent. These organizations are the Co-Creation Hub, based in Nigeria, who focus on supporting the growth and networking opportunities of civic tech actors in West Africa. Policy, based in Uganda, who focus on strengthening and amplifying the work of civic technology organizations in the East Africa region. Chad Innovation Hub, based in Chad, who focus on capacity building and resource sharing to leverage civic tech and digital innovation for democracy building in Central Africa. Technoloxia, based in Tunisia, who focus on advocacy through regional convening and showcasing in North Africa, as well as Magamba Network, based in Zimbabwe, who promotes civic engagement and democracy in Zimbabwe through tech and digital media training, collaboration, and learning. The Regional Ambassador Program has been instrumental in building an active civic tech community and forging strategic ties with innovators, organizations, and practitioners across the continent. From regional events, training workshops, to in-person convenings at the Civic Tech Innovation Forum, we have gained valuable knowledge from the regional ambassadors. The collaborative spirit of the project has enabled CTIN to continuously document and showcase emerging African civic tech projects that empower citizens and protect their rights. Let's hear from our regional ambassadors about their experiences and the impact of the program.
The Regional Ambassador Program funding has provided us the opportunity to deepen and further strengthen the capacity of civic tech innovators in the West African ecosystem. And also it has provided visibility for the work of these civic innovators in the West African space by fostering knowledge and learning and collaboration.
A little bit about my journey. I have learned about how to use technology for democracy, how to use tech to link civil society organization to their government, and sometimes to reconnect the people to their government, to their MPs, to their lawyers, to everything, So it was a great experience,
Last year when we hosted the hub, we had a lot of speakers coming through to participate at the Hub One conference, talking about issues to do with data and how can we use different data sets to open up conversations and bridge the gap between young people and decision makers. The funding also helped us to do a lot of work around civic tech. As Magamba Network, we managed to host an all-female hackathon with the PADA platform. In total, we hosted 2 hackathons, which were very beneficial, because usually when we are doing our civic tech work, we have less female candidates applying for the call. But through the RIAP funding, we managed to have an all-female hackathon, thereby empowering young females to participate in coming up with solutions that affect our communities.
It's been remarkable that the CTIN has brought us together as people from different regions, that cross-cultural understanding and collaboration that we've been able to achieve, getting to understand what are the successes and best practices from other regions, and also being able to share ideas, because as a nation or as a continent, we're all trying to solve the same issues. So that aspect that stands out for me has been the ability to foster collaboration between different regions of work.
We believe that we used that exposure to actually highlight other initiatives from the North Africa region and better represent common patterns that we see in the region, whether on the positive side or the negative side of things.
There you have it. CTIN's regional ambassadors play a vital role in increasing outreach, supporting ongoing advocacy, and mobilizing participation across Africa, ensuring that every region is represented by the CTIN's community of practice. Join us in celebrating the diverse voices and innovations driving positive change across Africa with CTIN. Follow the Civic Tech Innovation Network on our website and our social media platforms to learn more about our mission as an enabler of social activism using civic tech. Stay tuned for our next video that will explain how to use the Civic Tech in Africa Evidence Map, an important resource and research tool.